ng ideya. Have you noticed your employee na huminto na sa pagbibigay ng suggestion? Let me tell you something that will make you uncomfortable. Yung akala mo okay na kasi walang gulo, pero sa totoo lang, yun ang time na dapat kang mag-worry the most. Tulad nitong couple na to, si Matthew at saka si Daisy, meron silang isang mini grocery na may 3 branches. So, may supervisor sila na ang pangalan ay si Carl, who managed one of their biggest and busiest branch for 3 years na. Dati ang daming ideas ni Carl. Sir, we should rearrange the display. Ma'am, we should add this product line. What if we try this promo, ma'am and sir? And si Matthew naman at si Daisy, gustong-gusto nila yon. So Carl made their business better dahil sa kanyang suggestions. Tapos, slowly, huminto na si Carl. Wala nang suggestions, wala nang ideas. Araw-araw na lang siyang nagmamanage ng operations. Walang extra. Ang naisip ni Matthew is that, baka busy lang siya. Iisip naman ni Daisy, siguro happy na siya sa routine. Ay nako, mali pala. Mali pala ang akala nila. And 8 months later, Carl resigned. He already had another job lined up. He had been applying for months while still working for them. But, you never told us you were unhappy, sabi ni Matthew. Tahimik lang si Carl, pero sumagot siya ng dahan-dahan. Sabi niya, feel ko lang kasi sir, hindi na ako nag-grow. Grabe, di ba? Truth bomb yan. You see, he had already mentally left months before the resignation. He stopped investing his energy. Bakit pa ako mag-i-improve ng isang negosyo na about to abandon ko na? Anak, makinig ka ha. Alam mo ba ang meaning nito? Kapag ang employees ay huminto na sa pagko-contribute ng ideas, they have already stopped seeing a future with you. Hindi na nila iniisip yung long term. They are just finishing their time, collecting their pay, and counting down until the days na pwede na silang umalis. Yung silence na akala mo contentment, it could actually be a goodbye happening in installment. Kaya always remember, dapat maging business-minded Pinoy.